Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you for all my 38 fabulous subscribers that have faith in me and hit the likes and everything on my channel. I thank my 5 sponsors now. They're just not introduced yet, but there's 3 of them that you've seen so far. I thank you, Benchmark Abrasives and Nylite.com for having faith in me. We're going to be doing some future testing on some new products. You may want to stay tuned for that. I'll put the links in the description as they come through. So check out Benchmark Abrasives. I have a video review showing the products that they had sent me, and I've been using it on my projects here, and it does a really fine job. So yesterday was a uh-oh. I tried to get a video of how to force a Suzuki 87 LT230 front wheels and hub onto the front of this. So that's why you see 2 different size tires here. You can see a difference. Now I can put name brand wheels, possibly from Suzuki, maybe Raptor, depending on the lug pattern, and maybe Honda and some other brands of bikes. So it gives me more options of selecting tires and tire size and different style rims. The one that's on the left is the original. You can see the height difference on that. It's really not too much difference in width, but the overall grade of those tires is a shame. The tire tread outlasts the dry rot, and the lug stem ends up breaking and dry rotting and shooting off. That's a nasty ordeal when you're out there. So if I'm going to use a rim like that, I get a different tire to fit it, and I get a new lug stem that's not of that nature. Without discrediting anyone, that's not what I'm here for. I ain't here to bash a company. So the good news is you can see in there the hub assembly and brake and everything fits in there. It's really close in there. So there's still a little bit more modification that needs to be done in there to make that hub actually work in there. Because if I don't, after I put the brake caliper in there, it's gonna start rubbing on the disc brake. So I just now saw that, so I may get lucky, because when I take that disc brake off, I'm going to be using the OEM hammerhead disc in the place of the Suzuki disc. So I might be okay. I don't know yet. So lucky enough, I wasn't finished yesterday, so I could pick up where I left off at and show what I had to do. So this will fit perfectly, you know, OEM. But when putting Suzuki hub with a different lug pattern onto here, I had to wipe out almost all this right here. So I had to wipe out almost all that right there for that to be able to go on there. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And I had to take it probably like right about there for it to clear the inner wheel bearing. So that's what I'm doing today. I get that wheel mounted, and then when I tried to attempt to do a startup, let it run for a little bit, And while it's running, I'm going to try to take care of those rear hubs. Somebody welded the hubs to the rear axle, so I need to cut the welds, pull those hubs off so I can put these pretty little babies on the back. And then again, I could use name brand wheels, and from multiple different bikes can actually fit on here, so you're not stuck having to be only GTS wheels only. So that's why I'm doing this. Plus it picks it up off the ground higher, better ground clearance. And I just may attempt to extend the axle height and get a little bit of a lift. So haven't got that far yet, but it's just some ideas that I thought over to make this a little bit higher, front and the rear. But stay tuned. And well, I'm getting rained out, guys, so calling this video short. So what I'll do is merge 2 videos together to make up for today. So I was on the roll. I was almost there. Now I'm working on the disc brake. So we'll have some fully functional brakes. So the other thing I noticed is the spindles are just a tad bit longer on these than those over there. So that's a little mild setback, but I think I can make it happen. So if anything, I'll have to go for plan B, but this seems like it's working so far, so I'm going to continue with this. So again, apologize for a short video, but when it starts raining like this, I can't afford to mess up my tools. So, and it's supposed to get worse today, so unfortunately I don't have a garage to be able to work out of, but I got a nice area to be able to work in, so I can't complain. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you like my channel, hit subscribe, hit like, and if you feel it's worthwhile, please share the video. I hope that you guys come back and continue watching. Thank you, my 38 subscribers, and thank you to all my sponsors that take faith in me and have trust in me to bring good content, which I do have another person now. I'm going to be showing them some things, and he's going to be helping me through my downtime when I get my neck surgery. So hopefully we'll continue to be able to bring videos and better content to the channel. And I hope that you guys stick around for it. Thank you much, and keep your heads up and stay strong. Good day. Bye.